Guys, so today we are going to be opening 2 boxes from Cut the Crap Organics. So it's going to be a little bit different today because this is the Lips and Lather, and then this is their Lips and Lather Deluxe. I'm so excited. So let's open the Lips and Lather first. Ooh. It tells you the name of the box, and then a cute personalized message on the back. It says, "Thanks, Ashley. Enjoy, Krista." September Lips and Lather. As long summer days grow shorter, county fairs begin to pop up everywhere with rodeos, Ferris wheels, and greasy deep-fried goodies, drawing crowds of all ages. Popcorn soap is designed to look like a classic bag of popcorn, but instead of smelling of fake butter, you will enjoy fresh notes of mandarin and citrus anchored by earthy resins. Cotton candy lip balm smells just like the tooth-achingly sweet, fluffy treat that we all loved as kids. I hope you enjoy this county fair themed box and that it inspires you to attend one near you. I like that. Cotton candy lip balm. Let's see. Oh, that smells good. And then the popcorn soap. Oh, I like that. Look at the little popcorn on the top. Let's see. Let me just click. It's okay smelling, but I really like the presentation on that one though. That one was really, really nice. And now the Lips and Lather Deluxe. Talks about the subscription, and it says, "Thanks, Ashley. I hope you enjoy your first box, Krista." I really like the personal notes on the back. This tells us everything that is in the box. Ooh, look, everything is wrapped up really nice. So let's touch the first thing. Oh, it's shaped like a pig. What? The prize-winning pig bath bomb will fill your bathroom with a lovely, fresh scent of watery mint and birchwood. It does have a masculine scent. Let's see what's next. Then we have, churro hand polish. Let's see what's... That is beautiful! Oh, that smells delicious. I want to eat it. I want a churro so bad. It uses finely milled walnut powder to make your hands soft and smooth. Simply massage the product onto wet hands for a minute or so and then rinse clean. Let's see what's next. We have... pie eating contest facial mask. That one's a little rough. Probably because it's the facial mask. That one's okay smelling. A mineral-rich treat for your skin that should be applied generously on clean skin. Left for 20 to 30 minutes and then rinsed off. This sounds nice. Next, let's see what this is. So we have the Cotton Candy Lip Balm. And then this is the Rodeo Queen Eyelash Growth Serum. Oh. The Rodeo Queen Eyelash Serum harnesses the power of red clover and biotin to boost lash thickness and length. Apply at the base of your lashes twice per day for at least 8 weeks for best results. Does it have a smell to it? I don't think so, because the word serum makes me think it's going to smell terrible. Whoa. I have pretty long lashes, so I'm not sure if it would be a good idea for me to use something like this. I'm not really sure. But y'all tell me what y'all think. And then we have the Blue Ribbon Facial Cream. It says Botanical Retinol Alternative. Contains a blend of botanicals that have been studied for their anti-aging retinol-like effects with none of the irritation. No fair is complete without a tour of the animal barns. So, I don't know. Smells okay. Last but not least, we have our popcorn soap. I think that the details on that is crazy. Thank you guys so much for being with me while I unboxed Lips and Lather and the Lips and Lather Deluxe by Cut the Crop Organics. I'll see y'all later.